In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the GoTo function in Farming Simulator 25. Let's get into it. Okay, so the GoTo function basically allows you to get a worker to drive a vehicle somewhere to do a particular job. So the GoTo is basically just a drive function where you can pick a spot on the map where the worker will drive to, so you don't have to drive it. So essentially what you need to do is jump in the vehicle and activate AI worker. Okay, so you've got a number of options come up on the create job function there. So currently it's set to deliver. Okay, now depending on what you've got equipped and what vehicle you're in, you'll have different options. Okay, but we want to go to the section called GoTo. So you've got deliver, load and deliver, and a GoTo. Now it gives you a target position. Okay, so this is a GPS coordinate. So what we want to do is we're going to come down here and press X. Okay, and now we've got a pick target location icon on our cursor, right? So we can pick anywhere on the map that we want to go to, and we are going to drive our truck over there. So let's say that we want to drive to the farm, so the starter farm. So what we're going to do is we're going to position it up on this entrance here into the farm, and we're going to push. So basically what you've got to notice here is the arrow. So that's the direction the vehicle is going to end in. Okay, and we can adjust that in the second step. So we want to pick the general vicinity, which is here. Okay, and then we can pick the rotation. So if we move our right analog stick around, that'll give us the direction that this guy's going to come in on. So basically we're imagining he's going to come up through that top road, down, and then park here. So we push the R3 again. Okay, so we've picked our location, we picked the direction that we want to end up in, and now all we have to do is press square. Now if we press square, you can see Anthem 6XM is driving to target, and if we circle out, we can see that we've got a worker in our vehicle driving over to our location that we've chosen, and then we'll come back in once they arrive. So I'll see you over there. Alright, so here we are back at the farm, so we should be expecting to see our worker drive in any second now. So you can see our vehicle being driven under the power of a worker to our destination as pre-planned. And there we go, worker has completed the task. So basically some of the issues you've got to be careful of is traffic and obstacles. So obviously the bigger the vehicle, the longer the vehicle, the bigger the piece of the machinery, the more careful you need to be with where your placement of the location is. So in this example here, like we've got some trees and some other vehicles parked, some buildings. So if we try and set the destination into an obstacle, it's not going to work. So best practice is to basically start off in a clear open area, somewhere like here, okay, and then send it to an open road. So let's say if we're going to send this guy back to the shop, so we would activate our worker, we would potentially go to the big open area out the front of the shop. So if I do a GoTo here, send that guy back, just so they have enough room to park and navigate through. Alright, so here we are back at the shop, so we're just waiting for our worker to arrive, so we can see them there on the mini-map, just basically navigating that left turn onto the first driveway, and then they'll appear just around the corner here. So there they are there. So we've got plenty of space to navigate, shouldn't have any issues. And basically as planned, they've arrived successfully. So there you have it, guys, quick little guide on how to use the GoTo worker function in Farming Simulator 25. If you like this video, leave a like on it. If you've got any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.